Oh, hello, this is Tak Chung from Walk with Tak. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. This cashew chicken dish is what you would get in many takeout restaurants. It's very quick, easy, but it is also delicious. It has few simple vegetables, but its crowning ingredient is the cashew. If you like cashew, you will like this dish. This dish is a demonstration of my fast cooking system, where FAST is the acronym for flavor chasing, advanced prepping, stir frying, and templates-based cooking. This dish uses my basic stir-fry chicken template. I have prepped the chicken in such a way that I can have chicken from freezer to the wok in about 10 minutes. I also coat the chicken with a very thin layer of cornstarch. This will give the chicken a light coating of breading. This will also keep the inside of the chicken moist and tender. What I'm doing here is that I shallow fry the chicken by frying them on one side first before turning them over. This will greatly reduce the amount of oil that you need to use. I really enjoy this method because it gives the chicken a light crispiness on the surface. And in here you notice that I use a pair of tongs to manipulate the chicken. It gives me much better control. And now the chicken is almost 80% done. I next add some thinly sliced onion to the wok. Well, the order in adding the onion is dependent on how long I want to cook the onion. If you want to have the onion cook a little bit more softer, you can add it a little bit earlier. In this case, I want to retain some of the onion's crisp texture. Here I continue to turn the chicken and make sure that I have both sides of the chicken properly fried. As you can see here, the surface of the chicken are nicely browned. And next I'm going to switch to my wok spatula to stir fry the contents. It is definitely an advantage to have advanced prepping because I have the onion already cut, so I can use whatever I need for this dish. I next add some sliced mushroom to the wok. This is the last part of the mushroom that I have for my week's prep. A mushroom actually has a really good shelf life. When you cut them up, you can store them in the refrigerator for up to a week to 10 days. The order for adding different ingredients to the dish depends on how long I want to cook them. At this point, you probably noticed that some of the food particle has burned and stuck to the bottom of the wok. I'm going to add some water from my water squeeze bottle to dislodge them. The small amount of water that I add to the wok immediately evaporates. They dissolve this burnt material. I then use my wok spatula to scrape them off. Not only this helps to clean the wok, but it also adds flavor to the dish. I call this method spot cleaning because you clean the wok right on the spot. I'm going to season the dish with a light teriyaki sauce with a combination of oyster sauce and hoisin sauce. This is probably one of the most common way for me to season my chicken dish because my son loves teriyaki flavor for the chicken. I usually use this seasoning method when he is eating with us. Okay, the dish is almost done. Lastly, I'm going to garnish it with some scallions. Finally, I'm going to top it up with some cashews. I then noticed that some of the sauce as well as the particles had burned to the bottom of the wok, so I used my spot cleaning method. Together with my wok spatula, it was very effective to remove this material from the surface of the wok. I found this method not only worked very well in cleaning the wok, but it also added a nice sauce to the dish. And I also discovered if you don't do this, the wok is very hard to clean afterward. So the dish is done. It's very fast. The total cook time is a little bit under 5 minutes. Stir frying is truly probably one of the most efficient cooking method out there. As you can see, stir fry also gives you a lot of control of how you cook your dish. By adjusting the order how you add your ingredients, you can control their texture precisely. In here, as you can see that by adding the mushroom later during the cooking process, I can control the texture of the mushroom precisely how I want it to be. When you look at how simple and easy to cook this dish, and there's no reason that you have to go out to eat anymore. In this case, your home cooking is not only delicious, but it is more healthy for you. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and share. I'll see you next time.